Hey everyone, I'm Srinivas, .NET developer. We are looking into SQLite database tutorial. In this video, I'm going to explain how to write outer join queries, and for that, I'm going to use the values, the rows from these two tables. So we have two tables. One is parent, and another one is child table, and we are going to relate. We are going to match these two tables with the ID with parent ID. This is the parent ID actually, and this is the parent ID in child table. So we are going to match this ID. So depend on the matching rows, so we are going to fetch some columns from these two tables in a single result by using a right outer join. So now before writing the query, so I just want to show the a diagram of the join. So I already explained inner join and left outer join in the previous video. So if you missed those videos, so you can find in the SQLite tutorial playlist. And now we are going to see the right outer join. Yeah, we have two tables, the common ID. So you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6, we have six parents, and in the child table we have 1 2 3 4, we have only four parents. So you may have a question, why do have a where one is three times? So because the John has three children, that's why the child table has three ones in a parent ID column. Okay, so yeah, now we are going to write a write outer join. So for that, I just created a new query editor. I'll be writing the query now, and yeah, before execute this query, I just want to explain each part of this query. So we are going to select the name of the parent, and yeah, along with the names we are going to fetch the ID also. Yeah, we are going to fetch the ID of the parent and name, and name of the child. So we are going to match we are going to relate these two tables using these columns. And because this in these columns we have a parent ID, right? So we are going to match these columns, and depend on the matching rows, we are going to fetch these three columns actually, right? And yeah, if I enter, you can see, so near right, CHT, sorry, CHT spelling is. So now we are getting the result. So now you can see 1 2 3 and 4 IDs. uh, and yeah, in the diagram you can understand clearly. So in the as I said earlier in the previous video, when we join two or more tables, so now we are joining two tables. Let's assume the first table is in left side, and the second table is in table is in right side. Okay, right side. So let's assume whenever you write the join query, so better you assume this diagram, and you can easily write and get the result. And now we are writing in right outer join, right? So that's for that, so in right side we have a child table, and 1 2 3 and 4 IDs only. So that's why we are getting 1 2 3 4, uh, and the data of the 1 2 and 3 and 4 ID. Even though we have a 1 2 3 4 5 6 in parent table, we have in child table we have only 1 2 3 and 4 IDs only. So that's why this query will fetch the data what we all the data what we have in right hand side table in child table. Okay, so if I replace parent with child and child with parent, so you can see, so we will get 6, we will get ID up to 6. So you can see 5 and 6, right? So because now in the right side we have parent table, so in parent table we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 parents up to ID 6, right? So that's why we are getting all the data from the right side of the table, sorry, right side mentioned table, right? And you can also match more than one column from two tables, from these tables, like yeah, I don't have I don't have more than one common column from these two tables. So if you have in your case, if you have in your schema, you can match more than one column um, from the table which you want to fetch the data, which are you want to fetch the data, right? So I hope you can understand what right outer join is. And yeah, if you like this video, share. For more tutorials, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you.